This is a quick corner clamp that we put together when we were making some boxes that had box joints in the corner, but the box doesn't have a panel, so the entire structure of the box comes from that box joint in the corner. And this helps align the box to make it square and provides the pressure that you need across the joint. So this was cut from hardwood plywood, 1/2 inch hardwood plywood. This is the inside jaw, and these are the things which are going to align and apply the clamping pressure. There's a knockout in the corner, and that provides clearance around the box joint itself so that the glue squeeze out doesn't glue the jaw to the box. And then there's some through holes. Out here there's a round hole that accepts a dowel, and we're kind of looking at this top down here, so imagine sliding a dowel into this hole and then sliding another one of these down the dowel, so you can basically apply pressure in multiple places on the box by sliding as many of these as you like on this dowel, and the dowel is there to provide the spacing between these parts. And it's not permanently attached there, they literally just slide back and forth. And then these are cutouts for what I would call a pulling bar. So this would basically a little 1x drops down in here, and it provides a clamping pressure this way. So this jaw is pulled this way by this bar, and this jaw is pulled this way by this bar. And so that's basically the gist of it. You can drop these on a sheet of plywood, cut out as many as you need, and then the other accessories that you need are some dowels for the corners and then the pulling bars. And then once you have the pulling bars, you can use these with like bar clamps or quick clamps, and I've done it that way with this set, but I found it to be a little cumbersome because there's a lot of hardware hanging off outside the clamping envelope. And so what I ended up doing was machining some holes through these pulling bars, and that basically allowed me to put all thread that spans the length, and then I have some plastic knobs that allow me to screw down and apply the clamping force. So let's have a look.